Hey there, this is Soumya here from ModeMagic. Let me show you how you can set up the coming soon new arrivals automation. You can easily set up badges for products that are coming soon and for when they are live on your store as new arrivals. To do that, click on Automate on the top of your screen. Then, under the All Automations tab, scroll down to the automation that reads Coming Soon New Arrivals. Select Coming Soon. Here, set up the number of days for which the batch will be shown on new products with zero inventory added in the last 1 day, 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days. Then click on Change Batch and choose the batch that will be applied to these products. Then click on New Arrivals. Here set up the number of days for which the batch will be shown on new products with more than zero inventory for 1 day, 7 days, 10 days, or forever. Then click on Change Batch to apply it to these products. Once done, go to the right side of the screen and click on Activate Badges for custom automation. As you can see that the coming soon new arrival badges is now live on your store. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is one of the products on which the automation had been applied, and as you can see that the badge of coming soon is now applied to it. I hope this video helps you with setting up the coming soon new arrival automation.